Hi everyone, I will show you how to unsend messages on Instagram. First of all, open the Instagram app, swipe left and open the chat and type the message and you need to unsend the messages, then hold the message, tap the unsend. Once you have unsent a message, it will be no longer.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.